Okay, recap for Tuesday, the 25th of August, 2026. These days I won't be able to trade the New York session, so I'm gonna have to try trade it in the replay. Just, continue on the learning, I guess, and not miss the days. Anyway, just looking through this day, I can see that we expanded all the way. This is Asia. From Asia, and we're nearing our Monday high, right? And on top of that, we made relative equal highs here this morning. So I can see two scenarios based on this structure. Right, let me just double check the 15 minutes real quick. And yeah, nothing there. Too significant. Okay, what I can expect is the market can open up, shoot up for the relative equal highs, potentially gets to the previous daily high as well, and then start dumping, or it could go lower to around this London low, cleaning all these lows out as well. Right here. Maybe hit the midnight open and then expand higher for the highs again. That's the two scenarios that I'm seeing. Um, when I opened the chart, I went straight into the replay to like the back. So I genuinely have no idea what we done for today. But it's either a move up, take something, move down, or move down, go up. So when I don't really know, I just have to wait till 9:40. So we'll get the market open. It's our 9:30 candle. Okay. It's interesting that we initially took this low. If we get back into the range, I might be looking at this high, right? Because then that means we might be looking at a scenario where we go to the high and then go to the low rather than go to the lows, right? Like if it's starting to like print down. So all I need to watch is this in discount right here. And again, I'm still waiting for 940. So let's look at our opening range gap right there. And that's the close. So they can right there. And we can see that midpoint is also with the discount of our range since Asia. So this, and it's also a 4 hour gap. This is a highly like likely target, I'm thinking. On top of that, I want to mark our opening range gap from yesterday because we didn't fill that, and I kind of want to get the high as well. No, right? So the high comes right there. Okay, so I've got two places to mark. Alright, now just wait till 9:40. Alright, we run through this first one and the second one. So I'd be expected this to go to the high, but I wouldn't do anything until 9:40. Mark our first presented fair value gap right there. Is that a volume imbalance? Yep. Right there. So if I'm bullish, well, just wait 9:40. Okay, we respect it. This is 9:40. Next candle. Little inversion. You can get me in there. That's to the highs. You know, that's like a little scalp that I'm seeing. If it does it, I mean, I didn't click the buy limit. Little inversion. Respect the first presented. We have clear highs. Oh, that's an easy scalp trade right there. Okay, expecting midpoint. Allow it for one more candle. That's it. We hit the highs. See, I feel like that's the scalp. Let me see if I can get the short as well. So we come sweep the high. Are we still respecting the rejection block, which is initially that high now? And rejection block. Yes, we are respecting it. Just look at the wick. Okay. I'd still expect it to go higher, but if we start losing this CB, then it's questionable because right now we're in a macro in the next minute. So, okay, okay. I'll take the short. Just a scalp. I wouldn't probably take it in my account. Something like this. And like, let's do our normal target because if it's 10, sell side, and it's still the same discount. This is more of a risky trade because we still have relative equal highs, but we did take this relative equal highs, but because of previous daily high, it is kind of risky. But I'd be willing to take it if I didn't take the long, right? All I need to watch out for is the first presented. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, since respect, I mean, we went below the first presented, this basically almost guaranteed. And there we go, nice. Just want to see if we get to midnight. Ooh, yes, we do get to midnight opening price. And the lower quadrant of our opening range gap. See, I still don't like the short, right? It is more risky, but a more guaranteed short would be down here, right? Once we reach the first presented, not closing above midpoint, and right there, this, imagine it as a SIBI, is a SIBI in 15 seconds. That would be probably what I would take if I miss the long, which I doubt I'll miss the long. And after that, if it wants to go to previous daily high, I'm guessing it's allowed to do so. Right, but I wouldn't care because right now it's 11 and I don't really trade that time. Come back to the first presented. And yeah, we're just doing nothing. Which is well because I'd expect it to just come back for these highs one more time and close the day like that. But it looks like we're just that bearish. Let me just double check that ES hasn't taken the high. Oh, ES did take previous daily high. And now that kind of makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. So yeah, that's how I traded this day, honestly. It's not really much after this. I'd still expect it to go to the highs sometimes this week. Potentially tomorrow, even. Let me just double check the daily. So yeah, that's that for this Tuesday. And it is potentially gonna go to the highs tomorrow. Maybe take all three of them at the same day. And we might not even get the trade in New York. It might be just in like I don't know, London or something, or Asia. So yeah, that's the market recap for Tuesday.